Hi everyone. Today we are going to see how to make Father's Day card with quilling. So here first we need to trace dad or whatever you want to write on the cover page, that letters with very bold alphabets. Once we trace the alphabets, now whatever the color you want, that quilling strips you need to take and you need to join two strips with your Fevicol so that it will stand properly as letter. So how many strips we required for making the alphabets on the card? That many strips we can roughly count and stick and let it dry for some time. Once those strips are ready, now we can measure the alphabet length and that much we can bend or cut and make the letters. So as shown here, just apply the glue and keep the strip in a standing way and hold for some time so that it won't come out. If we do without holding quickly, it may come out. So each side, whenever we put the strip on the glue, better to hold for some seconds and stick the strip on top of the Fevicol. So first we will complete outer line, then afterwards we can do the inside part. So if we are not holding properly, like this it may come out. That's why we should hold. It will take little time, but once we complete the structure, it looks very beautiful. Here I am using same color for all the three letters. If you want, you can change different colors also as per your choice. So here the strip is 3 mm strip. If you want, you can make little thin strip also. So we can make our own quilling strips as per our required size sometimes if required, but these are the ready-made strips only. So this is 3 mm strip and I am using only that for the letters. Once the outside letter framing done, now inside part we need to do. For that I am just making like this ring pattern. Then after that, how much where I need to fold and stick on the letter. See, when you make the ring pattern, where you need a little straight, where you need little curve, in that way you can adjust and stick. And once you stick, leave it for some time and let it dry. Once it is dry, you can take another quilling strips and make only tight circles. You no need to make any other patterns. If you want, you can make, but here I am making only tight circles in different sizes. So when I am using big size, I use 2-3 colors, and when I am making single one, I am using only one color. So like that you can make how many you want. Here I am not filling the full letter, so I am filling only half letter. So that's why I made only few rings, few circles. So this you can stick. So your letter is ready. So still if you want to decorate more, you can decorate. Otherwise you can just leave it and decorate the card with your sketch pens or brush pens. So that also how I prefer to do, we can see. See, in the remain gap, instead of leaving empty, I just put slanting lines with my brush pen. So here if you want, you can use any other pattern also, but if you make other pattern, this circles what we made will not be highlighted. That's why I have given slanting lines. Now I am making hearts. So if you want, you can draw with your sketch pen or your brush pen, or you can use any other kind of thing, like you can cut small red color paper into heart shape and you can stick. There are lot many options to decorate the card. So once this part is done, now inside part we will see how to do it. So here I am making few curls to decorate the letters outside, as it is looking very plain. So I am taking two thin green color strips, and that strips I am folding like this into 1/4, then rolling with our filling needle. As it's very time taking process for the front page, I don't want to waste time in the second page, so I have taken printouts. So if you want, you can draw also like a shadow image, otherwise you can take printout like this and you can stick and write whatever quote you want inside. So I just found one beautiful quote and I gave this. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you like, please do like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.